Hello, I will be your instructor today. I have taught English for professionals for 20 years. I got my Master of Applied Linguistics from University of Queensland, and I'm a PhD in linguistics specializing in pragmatics. Today I will help you to master business English for beginners. And this course is designed specially for you non-native speakers. This course will help you to communicate professionally, make a great first impression, and speak clearly in the global workplace. In this first session, we will learn how to greet people politely and professionally in business situations. You will practice formal and casual greetings that are most common in the international workplace. You will also learn how different cultures view greetings and how to adjust your tone depending on the context and who you are talking to. In the United States, for example, it is common to say hi or hello even in business settings. But in countries like Japan or South Korea, people greet others more formally. They bow and they wait to be introduced. In Indonesia, avoiding eye contact is sometimes a sign of politeness. But in many Western countries, if you avoid eye contact, it may be seen as a lack of confidence. That is why, when you are unsure, it is best to begin with a polite and formal greeting. You can always adjust later based on your company's culture. In business, your greeting reflects your professionalism. Saying hi to a colleague might be okay, but saying hi to a CEO might be too casual. Now, this is the time for you to practice. Listen and repeat for basic greetings. Now, listen and repeat each sentence after me. I will say each sentence twice and once at a natural speed and once more slowly for you to follow. Please repeat. Good morning. Good morning. Next. Please repeat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Then, please repeat. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, next. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Great. Now let's move to listen and repeat. This is for polite professional greeting. Listen and repeat the following polite business greeting after me. Listen and repeat. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Listen and repeat. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Listen and repeat. May I introduce myself? May I introduce myself? Now listen and repeat greetings in context. Let's practice using greetings in full sentences during realistic situation. Repeat after me and try to imagine yourself in the real situation. Please repeat. Good morning, Mr. Anderson. It's nice to meet you. Good morning, Mr. Anderson. It's nice to meet you. Now, listen and repeat. Hello, Ms. Tanaka. Thank you for making the time today. Hello, Ms. Tanaka. Thank you for making the time today. Very good. Now, listen and repeat. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's meeting. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's meeting. Now, this is the time for you to read aloud. It's your turn to speak independently. Please read the following full dialogues out loud. Imagine you are in a real professional situation. Speak clearly and with confidence. This is exercise 1, self-introduction. Good morning. My name is Rani Putri. I work as a customer relations officer at Daya Tech Solutions. It's a pleasure to be here with you. Okay, once more. Good morning. My name is Rani Putri. I work as customer relations officer at Daya Tech Solutions. It's a pleasure to be here with you. Okay, now this is exercise number 2. The situation is in Zoom meeting. Hello everyone. Can you hear me clearly? My name is Fajar and I'm calling from Jakarta. I'm looking forward to today's discussion. Okay, let's start again. Hello everyone. Can you hear me clearly? My name is Fajar and I'm calling from Jakarta. I'm looking forward to today's discussion. Nice. Let's do exercise 3. Client greeting. Good afternoon, Mr. Reynolds. Thank you for joining the call. We're excited to discuss the partnership between our companies. Good afternoon, Mr. Reynolds. Thank you for joining the call. We're excited to discuss the partnership between our companies. Oh, very good. Now, this is the time for you to answer the following questions to check your understanding. Let's review what you've learned today. I will read 5 multiple choice questions. Please think about your answer before continuing. Question number 1. Which of the following is a polite business greeting? A. Yo, what's up? B. Good morning. C. Hiya. D. Sup, bro? Correct. The answer is B. Question number 2. In which country is bowing a common greeting in formal settings? A. Germany. B. Japan. C. Canada. D. Brazil. Correct. The answer is B. Question 3. Which sentence is most appropriate when meeting your CEO for the first time? A. Hey boss. B. Hello sir. Nice to meet you. C. What's up, chief? D. Yo, you must be the CEO. Correct. The answer is B. Question 4. When is it okay to use someone's first name in When is it okay to use someone's first name in business? A. Always. B. After you are invited to. C. If they look friendly. Or D. In every email. Correct. The answer is B. Question 5. What does "it's a pleasure to meet you" mean? A. I don't want to be here. B. I'm happy to meet you. C. This meeting is long. Or D. Let's cancel the meeting. Correct. The answer is B. Well done. Today you learned how to greet others politely in a business setting. You practice speaking with clarity and confidence using professional English. In the next session, we will focus on how to introduce your name, your company, and your job title clearly. Please subscribe and leave a comment to receive more valuable content to help you speak better English for your career and business success. See you in the next video.